The third killer mistake is this idea of relying on willpower. We all like to think of ourselves as logical, rational creatures. We are the intelligent species. We are the only ones that seem to have a conscience in the world, and that's why we rule the earth above animals and everything else. We like to think that we are pretty smart, pretty intelligent, and that we make decisions, and we do the things that we need to do based on logic, intelligence, and being rational. The problem is, none of that is true. Unfortunately, you and I, when we are not consciously thinking about it, we are driven by emotional, irrational drivers that we are often not even aware of. That's why we do some crazy things that are destructive or move us away from what we really want. Sometimes you wonder to yourself, why can't I just get this thing done? It's because you are relying on willpower. You are relying on the emotional mind to try to come to a logical conclusion. I'm sorry to tell you, but that doesn't work very often. Instead, the key is to create systems and boundaries for yourself that automatically cause you to do what you need to do without thinking about it, without having to remember to do these things. And I will show you in the next lessons how to do that as we go through this program. In the next lesson, we are going to cover the 4 pillars of productivity that will bring us success. Thank you and see you there.